In just 3 steps, I will show you how to fix your audio and remove background noise from your videos using the CapCut app without paying for a membership and for free. CapCut makes it super easy for you, but remember, try to record the best audio possible. If you are recording videos of yourself speaking to the camera, make sure to be as close to the camera as possible. If you are recording just your voice off camera, meaning you are doing a voiceover, speak close to the microphone, but cover it with a cloth to avoid airbursts on the mic, something like using a pop filter. If you want to know how to record professional sound from your phone, I will leave a video in the top right corner and in the description, where you will learn how to record and edit professional audio from your phone. But remember, when recording, be in a place where sound doesn't bounce. Try to record near soft furniture like your bed or in a closet. Make sure there is not much sound pollution in the environment, and close your windows and doors. Once we have the video in CapCut, if you don't know how to use this video editor for Android and iOS, I will leave a free course on how to use CapCut from your phone or tablet in the top right corner of the video and in the description. We're going to tap the video or video clip where we want to fix the audio. Then swipe through the options on the right until we find the Reduce Noise button. But as you can see, there's a pro icon, meaning we need to pay for the CapCut membership to use this feature. In the past, this was free, but it's no longer the case. But there is a trick to use this feature for free again, without spending a cent. For this, once we've tapped the video, we're going to look for the Extract Audio option and tap it. This will extract the audio and place it just below. Now, if we tap it and swipe through the options, we'll see that the noise reduction option is available to use for free. As an extra tip, fix the audio of your video at the end, after you cut all the content, arrange all the material, added b-roll, etc. Once all that is done, you should correct the audio of the clips. Now, so you can see the difference, we're gonna cut the video and apply noise reduction to the second half. We play it. In just 3 steps, I will show you how to fix your audio and remove background noise from your videos using the CapCut app. And as you can hear, it's a huge improvement. This is just a small demonstration of what you can do with CapCut. If you want to know everything CapCut can do from your phone, tap the playlist that appears on the screen right now. It's a CapCut course that costs $150, but I decided to teach it for free.